the Team Puso, winning 79 to Team Laban's 69. All right, go ahead, do your pleasantries.
All right, Boom, it's up to you to drop the bomb. Let me join you. I think you're gonna need a bodyguard. You're gonna need a bodyguard.
Okay, all right.
In case we get any violent reactions.
Before we settle down, Sabrina, can I ask you to stay with me here, because we did say that the losers have some sort of a consequence, right? So, the losing team will, this is like a tradition in the Philippines, will crawl under the legs of the winners. Yes,
It's called lusutan.
yes,
It's called lusutan.
yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, lusutan.
They will do that. Just the winners. You're here to watch and see how it's done. Maybe something you can take back, you know, the playground. All right, guys, we gotta do it.
The winners have to follow
Be the
the
man.
line.
Be the man.
Congratulations, Captain.
They line up. All right. You can just watch. You can join. You want to join? Okay.
She's part of the winning team.
Yeah, she is now.
She is part of the
She
winning
is
team.
now. She wants to be in front too.
Of course.
All right.
You have to experience it.
Lusutan. Okay. Team Laban. Chris.
Coach Javi. Coach Javi,
Paul.
please.
Team captain. Oh, yes, and the coaches too.
Leave the coaches.
Okay. May pinaplano eh. Coach Rice. Okay. Siya na mangunguna. Okay, yes. Yes, we have to do it. That's part of the consequence. This is what we do.
Actually,
Come on. Come on.
Pwede ko manggulang. Sama ka dito sa likod.
Make some room.